how to connect Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. Hello everyone, on this tutorial video I'm going to show you step by step how to add in and connecting your domain to your Shopify account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, I will give you the easy method to link your Namecheap account to your Shopify store. Then guys, go directly and hit on settings on the bottom. Then guys, go directly and scroll down to domain sections. Then hit on domain section. Then guys, there is two options: buy a new domain and connect existing domain. Then guys, if you have already created and buying the Namecheap domain, then scroll down and hit on domain list. Then click on domain list on the left side. Down, scroll down, and this is your domain name. Then hit on manage. Then guys, I will show you step by step how to easily link and connect your domain name to your Shopify account. Then guys, click on connect existing domain. Then guys, put your domain name. This is my domain name. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then hit and paste it in the search bar. Then hit on next. Then guys, go and click on verify connection. Then guys, you need to add this information on your domain name account. Then guys, go and click on advanced DNS. Then guys, wait a few seconds. This is the advanced DNS. As you see guys, if you are the first time added a new record, then click on add a new record. Then scroll to same name record. As you see guys, same name record. Then the name is www. Then hit and copy and paste it. Then the value is copy the value, then paste it. Then guys, make sure a TTL is automatic. Then hit on save changes. Then guys, add a new record. Then hit a record. Then the host, copy this one and paste it. Then the value is this one and copy the value, then paste it. Then also TTL automatic, then save changes. Then guys, now go back to your Shopify store and hit on verify connections. Then automatically your domain name was added and linked to your Shopify store. As you see guys, this is the only method to link your Shopify store with the Namecheap domain. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.